All right, who hacked who last? Junior hacked ChaseQurt last, so Junior's hacking ChaseQurt again.
Junior, you're hacking me. You're hacking Chaz.
Okay, I have to keep track of that. I should write this down.
Yeah. I'm hacking. Yeah.
All right, follow the rules. First 25%,
Chase, don't use
no
damage.
profiler weapons. The hacker can do whatever they want, so Junior can do whatever he wants.
Damn it, Chase.
Just to get the hack on, basically, is the idea.
Hi, Junior.
Now I'm.
Chase.
Hey, Dreaded Miss is in the house. What's up, my friend? We're trying some crazy split screen hacking craziness of Doom times 10. All right. Oh yeah, I need to flip. So Junior's the one hacking right now, right? And he's on the bottom of the screen. So we need to actually flip him on the top like that. What are you doing? So Chase is on the top. He's trying to find Junior Driver, who's on the bottom right now. Who's Junior Driver is trying to hack him. The crazy is real, man. Oh, did you blast his bike? Crazy. Oh, you got the hack on. You got the hack on.
I swear I will get my revenge on you. Yeah.
All right. All right. Once you hit 25%, man, do whatever you want. I don't know how well they can hear you. I'm not sure how well to turn this up. You guys in watching the stream on my end, let me know if I need to turn them up at all. Because I want you to be able to hear them a bit as well. It's kind of...
What are you doing, Chase?
It's kind of cool to see it from both angles, actually. Because I can see Junior looking at Chase and Chase, like, searching around for Junior.
God damn it, Chase, what are you doing? God damn it, Chase!
There's a slight difference in the delay, but there's really not much I can do about that. It all depends on your guys' connection and my connection to you guys. So it's hard to keep them in sync, but they're close enough.
Chase, I hate you.
Alright, that's another loss for Junior. Alright, CQ, we need you to actually hack Junior this time.
Yeah.
So stay available